This is the JM800 multi-stations lug crimping and tape bundling machine, which is specially used for the lugs crimping process of the electrical industry cable harness. It can feed 30 cables of different diameters and colors, applicable to cables of 1.5 to 4 square millimeters. This machine will automatically identify different cable nozzles to process different cable numbers at the same time. The main functions include 1. Cable selecting and cutting, feeding and cutting cables according to the preset length. 2. Stripping, complete stripping or do half stripping. 3. This JM800 is equipped with 3 ferrule stations with mark printing, which can complete ferrules inserting at both ends at one time and add an extra ferrule such as red or yellow marking as needed. 4. For small diameter cable but large ferrules, JM800 also has the heat shrinking on ferrule. 5. Lugs crimping. This machine is equipped with 6 crimping stations, which can crimp 6 different lugs at the same time. The crimping applicator can be replaced very easy so that changing different lugs very fast. The last step is to bundle the cables with tape. JM800 can complete the tape bundling according to the groups, which is convenient for operators to take the bundles out easily to prevent confusion in the cable harness processing. In order to ensure the processing quality of each cable, JM800 is equipped with dual functions of CCD camera, detection and crimping, force detector to ensure the crimping quality. The most classic feature is that JM800 equipped with a replaceable lugs vibration bowl feeder to supply different lugs. One lug corresponds to one feeder without the need to make adjustments, and more feeders can be configured to complete other lug crimping. Please do not leave and watch the performance video of this machine in next few minutes. The other best function of this JM800 called Convert Data. In fixed Excel table, it can be set according to the requirements of each cable, such as which lug needs to be crimped, which cable to choose, the content of the ferrule to be printed, the length of cable stripping, etc. Thank you for watching this video.